Have you been to Utah? Not just the arches, not just the ski towns, but the salt plains that mirror the sky and swallow the horizon. The canyons carved in silence that take days to reach, and the stone cities built by wind and time. First, we step onto a place so flat it feels like the edge of the world. This is the Bonneville Salt Flats. Miles of an ancient lake bed stretch into nothing. After rain, the sky falls to earth in a perfect reflection. They trade places on a thin sheet of water. It's the closest you can get to walking on clouds. From there, we head south to a place you can't just stumble upon. We follow the Colorado River into a hidden bend you can only reach by days of hiking or on a boat in high water. Reflection Canyon curves through sandstone and water, its mirror-bright surface guarded by cliffs of fire. Few make the journey here. Those who do carry it with them forever. Then, deep in the Grand Staircase Escalante, a ribbon of water appears in the desert. This is Lower Calf Creek Falls, a 126-foot drop into a pool so clear you can see fish flash beneath the surface. The canyon walls rise in red and gold, and the air is cool with mist. Now, head into the strange heart of the desert. You find a valley full of stone shapes no one can name. This is Goblin Valley State Park, where, for millions of years, wind and time have carved a horde of hoodoos. Some say they look like mushrooms, others like something that landed here from far away. Finally, we travel to a remote corner of Capitol Reef, where giants stand in the sand. This is Cathedral Valley, home to the temples of the sun and moon. Stone spires so tall they seem to hold up the sky. No crowds, no noise, just the echo of your own thoughts and footsteps. This isn't the Utah you see on most postcards. These are places you have to seek, and once you find them, you never forget. Have you been to Utah? Maybe it's time to see it with new eyes. Follow Have You Been To for more hidden wonders and tell us what should have made the list.